Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. We're gonna get started by holding our power button and selecting power off. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. From here, using volume buttons, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it using your power button. I'm going to select clear data and then clear all data. This will bring up a message letting you know that this will remove everything from your device, including things like music, photos, and any kind of user data. So if you have anything that you want to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this will be completely removed and this cannot be undone. I'm going to select OK, which will begin the process, at least in the recovery mode. It's pretty quick, as you can see, all data cleared. I'm going to select return, arrow back, and then I'm going to select restart. And OK, and this will now continue the reset of the device in the background. It will take it a little bit longer to boot back up because it is continuing it in a background, but once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.